Hello everybody. As you probably know me from countless videos by now, my name is Matt, and ooh, that's a loud mic. Whatever. It's probably better that way. But today I wanted to give another showcase of what I have been doing with Solvent. Now, not much has really changed, and it's not me being lazy. I'm working on this fucking all the time. It's more the fact that some of the things that I'm trying to do, I'm still trying to figure out. I've rebuilt a lot of the systems that I've implemented so fucking many times, and they still haven't worked. See, the main issue is this right here, the mod loader. Now, see, it seems kind of simple, but the issue is that I don't want it to just say the mod. I've thought about just making it that way, but I don't want it to. I want it to, be able to have a configure tab. You just click on a button in the mod menu and it takes you to a bunch of configurations that you can do. I want that. That's what I want. And I'm a very big completionist person, and I don't want to half-ass things. And so I have rebuilt this menu so many times. So many. When I tell you there is like 5 different variations from like every day that I've been working on this, just of this menu, it's all just this menu that's taking me so long. Everything else is done. I've got fully working new scripts, new sounds, new, just UI. It runs better, like a lot better. I mean, not really a lot, maybe by a couple FPS, but I just want to thank the community for a lot of things. The glue3d.net community has been one of the most just nicest communities of all time, and I really don't feel rushed to get it out. And I know I should, because I've been fucking dragging this for like a week now. Could have gotten this out a while ago, but I'm a very completionist person. I want to do it the way that I want to do it, but I don't want to take forever. I don't want to have, me take forever and weigh other people's projects down, because there's a lot of people depending on me to get this done. So, when this releases, it will be in an alpha state. When Solvent releases, it's not going to have all the things that I want it to have. It's going to have all the things that I could put into it the way I want it to. So, there's not going to be a modding API, sadly. I don't think I'm going to have enough time to really do that. And plus, that would take so much more time to do, because I just haven't really, gotten ready to do that yet. I'm really just trying to still learn this engine, and I've discovered a lot of it. Like, a lot of this shit makes pretty well sense, it makes a lot of sense. But, I'm still trying to learn. I still am. And there's just a lot of things that I want to finish. But when this releases in the next, I don't know. I don't want to give a date, because I know I'm not going to get it right. But when it does release, it's not going to be as perfect. I want to at least build the base for people to mod upon, and I'm going to give full documentation to everything that I did to make Solvent look like Solvent, and all the things with full explanation and everything, because I want people to mod this system. And my GitHub will be where I'm going to host Solvent, and I'm going to show how to make, mod submissions to add to Solvent's, like, whole system, and all that. Because a big thing is that if you modify anything in Engine, there's not a way to implement that, really. So, you can't have multiple mods, sadly, that without, like, having to code it in all yourself. But, see, that's what I'm here for. I'm going to let people create issues on the GitHub page that will allow them to submit mods, and I will take that, and I will plug it into the system, and, I'm going to build it. And I'm just going to update it all the time, and eventually I'm going to figure out how to make an auto-update system to hopefully, well, not even an auto-update, because I don't want to really do that, just in case people lose their work. I want to add, like, a, updating system so that whenever it updates, you can install all the new mods that came out, all the new quality of life features and all that. There's a lot going on in my life too, and I think it's very apparent to why I've also slowed down making this. You know, I've got life things, man. Like, I don't talk about my life, but like, yeah, I got things to do, you know? And I go to school and I stay up a lot of the time working on this project. You know, I stay up till like 1 a.m. working on this, and then I finally go to bed. And I just go through school and I just repeat the same cycle over and over again. It's really started to stress me out, and it's really started to piss me off. But I don't want to give up. I want to do this. This is what I want to do. I want to finally do something for this community, because Glue 3D's community is probably the first ever community that's really just kind of, you know, been nice to me. Like, yo, y'all are fucking nice as hell. I love all of the people in the Glue 3D community, and I just want to thank everybody for giving me the time to do this, and I'm sorry if there's a lot of things that might be missing, but I want to just hope that people understand, because I'm really trying here, and I'm really trying to get this out, and it's just, you know, things happen. But anyways, thank you all, and I'll see you all next time, hopefully after Solvent releases. Okay, it shouldn't be too much longer, I'm hoping. No promises. Anyways, bye-bye.